Hello kids! Today we will learn English alphabet, counting numbers, shape names and color names. At first, say with me the name of color: orange, yellow, green, brown, red, sky blue. Write with me A. A is for ant. Write with me B. B is for blue. Write with me C. C is for cow. Write with me D. D is for dog. Write with me E. E is for elephant. Write with me F. F is for flag. Write with me G. G is for green. Write with me H. H is for house. Write with me I. I is for eyes. Write with me J. J is for jaguar. Write with me K. K is for kitty. Write with me L. L is for lemon. Write with me M. M is for Mars. Write with me N. N is for nose. Write with me O. O is for octopus. Write with me Phi. Phi is for penguin. Write with me Q. Q is for queen. Write with me R. R is for rainbow. Write with me S. S is for sunflower. Write with me T. T is for tiger. Write with me U. U is for umbrella. Write with me V. V is for van. Write with me W. W is for water. Write with me X. X is for X-ray. Write with me Y. Y is for yak. Write with me G. G is for zebra. Say with me the name of shape: circle. Draw with me a circle. Say with me the name of shape: square. Draw with me a square. Say with me the name of shape: rectangle. Draw with me a rectangle. Say with me the name of shape: triangle. Draw with me a triangle. Say with me the name of shape: oval. Draw with me an oval. Say with me the name of shape: heart. Draw with me a heart. Count with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 and 0, 10, 1 and 1, 11, 1 and 2, 12, 1 and 3, 13, 1 and 4, 14, 1 and 5, 15, 1 and 6, 16, 1 and 7, 17, 1 and 8, 18, 1 and 9, 19, 2 and 0, 20. Again count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Subscribe for more video. Bye bye kids. Stay with us.